Welcome to this tutorial on function parameters in PowerShell. In this video, you'll learn how to accept input in your functions, making them more flexible and powerful. Parameters are one of the most important concepts in PowerShell scripting, allowing your functions to work with different data each time they're called. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to define parameters, set their types, provide default values, and make them mandatory when needed. Let's get started. So what exactly are parameters? Parameters are variables that accept values when a function is called. Think of them as placeholders that let you pass information into your function. They allow functions to work with different data, making your code much more versatile. Instead of writing separate functions for each specific case, you can write one function that uses parameters to handle various scenarios. This makes parameters essential for creating flexible and reusable code. Without parameters, every function would only perform the exact same task every time, which wouldn't be very useful. Let's look at the basic syntax for defining parameters. You start with the function keyword, followed by your function name. Inside the function body, you use the param keyword to declare your parameters. In this example, we have a function called get-greeting that accepts a single parameter called name. The parameter is declared with a $sign before it, which is how PowerShell identifies variables. Inside the function, we use write-host to display a greeting message that includes the value passed to the name parameter. This is the foundation of working with parameters in PowerShell. Functions aren't limited to just one parameter. You can define multiple parameters by separating them with commas inside the param block. In this example, the new -user function accepts 3 parameters: first name, last name, and email. Each parameter is listed on its own line for better readability. When you call this function, you can provide values for all 3 parameters, and the function can use them to perform its task. Multiple parameters give your functions even more flexibility, allowing them to handle complex operations that require several pieces of information. To make your functions more robust, you can specify data types for your parameters. This is called type constraint. In this example, the add-numbers function declares 2 parameters, number 1 and number 2, both with the int type specified in square brackets. This means PowerShell will only accept integer values for these parameters. If someone tries to pass a string or another data type, PowerShell will either convert it to an integer or throw an error. Type constraints help prevent errors and make your code more predictable. The function then returns the sum of the 2 numbers. Sometimes you want a parameter to have a default value in case the caller doesn't provide one. You can do this by assigning a value to the parameter in the param block. In this example, the name parameter has a default value of guest. If someone calls the get-greeting function without providing a name, it will automatically use guest instead. This makes parameters optional while still providing sensible behavior. Default values are great for parameters that usually have the same value, but occasionally need to be different. For critical parameters that must always be provided, you can make them mandatory. This is done using the parameter attribute with mandatory equals $true. In this example, the email address parameter is marked as mandatory. If someone tries to call the send-email function without providing an email address, PowerShell will prompt them to enter one before the function executes. This ensures your function always has the data it needs to work correctly. Mandatory parameters are essential for functions that cannot operate without certain information. Let's recap what we've learned. Parameters make functions flexible and reusable by allowing them to accept different inputs. You should use type constraints to ensure parameters receive the correct kind of data, preventing errors before they happen. Set default values for optional parameters to make your functions easier to use while still allowing customization. And finally, mark critical parameters as mandatory to ensure your function always has the information it needs. With these techniques, you can write professional, robust PowerShell functions. Practice these concepts, and you'll be creating powerful, flexible scripts in no time. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.